What's up everybody, Jordan here from Tech Talk Today. I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Let's go. Alright, so we get this one. You can go to samsung.ca.com or also Amazon or other carriers. It comes in 128 gigs of storage or 512 with 6 gigs of RAM for the 128, which is the one I have here. The Galaxy Note 9 in 512 is 8 gigs of RAM, octa-core CPU, Snapdragon 845. 2960 by 1440 Quad HD Plus, Dual Edge Super AMOLED, S Pen support, dual rear cameras with f1.524, dual aperture, and f2.4. Autofocus and optical image stabilization are on this phone on the rear camera, as well as the selfie. 960 frames per second in slow motion, 240 at FHD. Maximum is UHD 4K at 60 FPS. 108 gigs of available memory with external memory support, micro SD up to 512, so you could have a terabyte of storage if you wanted to in this phone. USB-C, USB 3.1. It's got a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is really cool. Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, Android OS. It's 201 grams, 4000 mAh battery, non-removable. And it's compatible with Samsung DeX. Let's keep it moving. Alrighty, so here it is. Note 9 in ocean blue. So on the front, right away, you see the S Pen. It's good. So we slide this off. And then, shout out to Sean for letting me unbox this. This is his new phone he wanted to try out. So this is the third phone of his that I've unboxed, which is pretty fun. You've got Samsung branding there. You just slide this, flip that open like that, pop this out. You got Galaxy Note 9, it says on there. This is the SIM ejector tool, and I believe just some books, but we'll pull everything out just in case. Drop that. There you go, so just some guides and the SIM removal tool, which you need to keep, so don't throw that out. So that's that, and then you get the phone, which normally has plastic on it, but I pulled it off so that I could set up this phone for the video. That's why it's a little dusty. So I've been testing this out. So there's the phone. I'll go into that a little more in a minute. And under here, we have a bunch of accessories. There's your charging brick, your OTG for transferring your data from your old phone. Pop all that stuff out, and then you get this box with your USB cable. Just dropped. And you get the AKG earbuds in the box for free, which is always good because they're pretty decent earbuds, and this keeps the headphone jack, which is dope. And you get some extra ear tips, and then some extra tips for the S Pen and a removal tool. So that's everything you get in the box. So I'm gonna slide this back in there, just get it ready so we can hook up the phone. There we go. To the side. Put all this to the side. And then one thing about this cable, when I had my S8, this cable broke on me, but this one looks like it's more reinforced. Maybe not. I recommend looking into a third-party cable like the ones from Anker or Aki. Those are the ones that I use, and they're really great, and they come in different sizes. Yeah, they're pretty great, but this is good enough to start. Yeah, earbuds. Here's the phone itself. So, just get a quick light. There it is. Yeah, so big giant 6.4 inch AMOLED screen, like I said. Powered up. There's the boot up screen, Galaxy Note 9, powered by Android, secured by Knox. You got your earpiece and your facial unlock tech and your iris scanner and your selfie camera in the front. The side, volume up and down, and the stupid Bixby button, which I'm not a big fan of. Just because it's annoying that you can't remap it. And you got the dual cameras on the back, which I talked about. You got the heart rate sensor. Your fingerprint scanner has been moved, unlike the S8 and the S8 Plus and the Note 8. It's now down a bit more, which is a lot easier to reach. And your sleep wake button on the other side. Your digital home button on the bottom, which you can touch. It vibrates. And then you got your headphone jack on the bottom. So shout out to Samsung for sticking with their guns and keeping that in there. USB-C, their speaker, and the S Pen right here, which we'll talk about in a bit. But I'm gonna unlock the phone. Yeah, there we go. So in a minute, I'm gonna talk about the phone a little more, go through the OS, check out some of the settings, and see what this phone has to offer. Keep it moving. There's the phone. Let's unlock it. Got this big, super vibrant display. It's the best OLED that I've ever seen. I've got this set up a little bit just so I can test out some apps. But first of all, let's go to settings. See what's going on there. This is a Samsung phone, so lots of bells and whistles, kinds of cool stuff. So, vibrations, nothing really there. Display. Blue light filter, so if you're on your phone at night before you go to sleep, you can turn that on and it'll make the screen more warm. You got the WQHD resolution, home screen, do all your settings. That's annoying, so you probably want to turn that off so that you can rotate the home screen to portrait mode and also landscape. And then anything else, LED indicator, you can turn that off, but I'd recommend keeping it on. Navigation bar, this is the thing that you should know about. So you can customize the look of it or have it match your theme. And you can adjust the pressure of the home button in order for it to press. And you can do button layouts. You can have back home recents, which is the one that I have set up. And it's the one that I like and most people who have used stock Android like. And then let's go to advanced features. So you can do Smart Stay, turn that on. Finger sensor gestures. Let's turn that on. Go back. Quick launch camera by double pressing the power key inside there. The window. Definitely turn that on. That's dope. Oh, that's cool. So you can increase the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protectors. Leave that on, may as well. And then anything else? And advanced S Pen, don't miss that. So you can remotely control apps and control what they do. So all this different stuff. Single press forward and back. And then you can control PowerPoint or like Google Slides. And you can control the music with the S Pen, which is really dope. And a bunch of different stuff. When the S Pen is removed, open air command. So then this is really cool. You can sound an alarm if you walk away with your phone without inserting the S Pen and the screen is off. That's pretty cool. And then you vibrate the phone when you put the S Pen in or take it out, so you always know the stuff we went through. So, anything else? Lock screen. You can do face unlock or smart unlock, intelligent scan. So it does your face and your eyes, which is really cool. And about phone, that's nothing exciting. That's the settings. Close all my apps. And then let's go to the camera. So that is. Grab the box. Out the phone. Picture, adjust my camera a little bit, there we go. Let's go like that. There we go. It's hard to do this from behind the camera. That's just a little point and shoot. I took this of my dog earlier with the live focus portrait mode, which is pretty good. Turned out nice. That was a video that I'm going to be showing later on. This portrait mode. So you can see the wide angle version, which is that, or the close-up with the live focus as well. A landscape shot. I'm going to take some more pictures as well, and I'll insert them into this video towards the end. Yeah, so with the camera, tons of modes. You can do food, panorama, pro mode, live focus, which is portrait mode, auto, super slow motion, which is up to 960 frames, which is pretty cool. Let's go on to this. AR emoji, I tried this out. It looks really weird. So this is the one that I did of my sister. If I can get it to pop up. So what you do with this, you take a picture. It might get thrown off by the camera in the shot. We'll see. So that loads up pretty fast. And that's what it got. So it doesn't look that great. Also, it wants me to take my glasses off. It's kind of annoying, but so I'll do this behind the camera. So it's loading up. That's the one that I did. So you can adjust the skin. It's pretty accurate, I would say. I adjust the hair. There's lots of options with this. Let's go. Brown glasses. Those ones kind of look like mine. So yeah, this is, I don't really like these AR emojis. They look kind of weird and not super great. I can choose the background later on. Basic one, so that's what it looks like. So you can add this on stickers and stuff like that, but I don't think I would ever use this. It looks pretty black. You got hyperlapse and slow motion, which you can do pretty slow. Let's see if I can find it. See what that looks like. So it slows it way down. Yeah, so that could be cool. That's my AR emoji. Let's try the live focus on this plant, which I keep on my desk. Hold my camera back here. This is really hard to do with one hand. That is one thing about these bigger phones. A little harder to hold. Yeah, there it is. That's a pretty detailed shot. Looks good. Well, you can try a selfie. Let's see if I can get the selfie focus. There we go. So you can do the blur. So that didn't do a very good job with the blur. That's not what I want to do. Nope. So hold on. So like that. Try again. So that's portrait mode. It does a decent job. It kind of puts some of my hair out of focus, but that's not bad. You can see beard hairs. Mug's Therapy always tests. Shout out to anybody that's seen him. There's probably most of you. He does the beard test selfie always. Yeah, so that's that. That's a non-portrait mode selfie. plant. My AR emoji. This is all the ones that you can do. Kind of whack, but if you like Animoji, might be cool. You can do the wide selfie, which my S8 had as well. You can pan left and right to get multiple people or a big like building or whatever in the shot, which is pretty neat. Yeah, so that's the camera. Close that up. Anything else? You can do all your widgets and adjust your home screen settings. All that good stuff. Yeah, let's keep it moving. Alrighty, so I'm testing out the Note 9. This is the selfie camera, shooting at FHD, so this is the audio that you can expect. And the video looks pretty good, pretty stable. Yeah, let's keep it moving. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll be back more soon. Peace.